Hey guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dearest DIY, and I really want to thank y'all for tuning in today. Now today's video is going to be a pretty short video for one of my videos at least, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity to collab with some of my favorite girls on YouTube, and today we're bringing you a St. Patrick's Day collaboration. Be sure to check out all the gals in the collab with me, and I'll put a link to the playlist down below, and let them know that Mama Dearest DIY sent you so that they can know exactly where you came from. Now, before we do get started on this video today, I've got to announce the winner of our Sure Bonder giveaway. So here it goes. Drum roll, please. Y'all have just entered the URL for the video into commentpicker.com. It's going to get the comments. Now we're going to scroll down, and now let's pick our winner. Okay, y'all, here's our winner. It is Judy Smith. Judy, you are the lucky winner of the Sure Bonder giveaway, and I will be getting in touch with you soon. So congratulations, girl. Congratulations, Judy. You are the winner of our Sure Bonder giveaway. I know you're absolutely going to fall in love with the Sure Bonder brand as much as I have, and I really hope you enjoy your prize package. So I'm going to leave you a comment underneath your comment. I'm going to need you to shoot me your email address, girl. So send me your email address, and we will get that prize package out to you as soon as possible. Okay, y'all, that's enough talking. Let's get started on this project. Okay, y'all, so let's jump right into this project. Now, I picked up this cute little sign from the Dollar Tree, and the guy that checked me out told me that this must be brand new because he had not seen this before. But I was super excited because y'all know that I love color, and I just think St. Patrick's Day has to have rainbows. And I've also picked up this cute little St. Patrick's Day sign here, a cute little felt hat, and this ribbon I did happen to have on hand, so I did not have to buy this. Okay, so the very first thing that I want to do is just to take a little bit of sandpaper and sand my words smooth. Okay, now this comes off with little to no effort. Okay, so while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my next piece here. I'm just going to kind of set this little guy out of the way. Okay, so for the next part of our project, I am going to be deconstructing this Happy St. Patrick's Day sign. And these come apart so easy. Now, I'm not going to be using this today for this project, but I'm not going to get rid of it because it is a super cute little hat here. Okay, so now I'm going to need some of my burlap ribbon here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so after I've got my sign deconstructed, I'm just going to pull off a little piece of my jute ribbon here. And this one is roughly 6 inches long here. And I'm going to just glue this right on the back. You can make sure that it's centered because you can see right here, this is the center of our sign. All right. So now I've just got another piece cut. This piece is roughly 12 inches long. And I'm just going to join these two ends together with a little bit of hot glue. Okay, so now that I've got my piece glued, the ends glued together on my bow, I'm just going to take and pinch the center and then take a pipe cleaner that I've cut into halves and just wrap that around. fluff your bow back out. Then we're going to take another piece that's roughly maybe 3 inches and just use this piece to cover that center there. And we'll hot glue this down as well. Now I am going to put my pipe cleaners on both sides here, because I'm going to use my pipe cleaner as my hanger for my little decoration. And then I'll just take these 2 ends and twist those together. And then that's what's going to hold our little decoration on our wall. So now all we need to do is just hot glue this down to our ribbon. Now this is the top part to our little hanger here. Now I want to cut another piece, not quite as long as this one that we cut. This one's going to be roughly roughly 4 inches. Okay, so now we're ready for our second piece to our little hanger here. Now this is going to need a second coat. So before I move on to this next part, I'm just going to put a second coat on here. Now this does come with a little hanger on the back here, but I'm just going to kind of take this little piece off, I believe. Okay, now that I've got the little hanger removed, of course, I'm going to hang on to that little hanger because I can totally use that for another project. So let's go ahead and glue this little guy down. How about you put another glue stick in here? Okay. Okay, so while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and glue my little feet onto my hat. I'm just going to flip it over. Put a little hot glue on my feet here. Make sure I've got this lined up. And just press it down. Look how cute that is. So precious. Okay, so for the next part, I could go ahead and put another piece of ribbon here, but I don't really want my hanging to hang down this far. So I'm actually just going to glue this directly onto my little clouds here. So I'll just add a little hot glue to the little ends. And after that, this project is done. Such a quick and easy project, but oh so precious. Okay, let's go hang it on the wall and see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, here is our finished wall hanging, and it is absolutely adorable. I really do love how this turned out. I think the rainbow just totally sets it off, don't y'all? Alright, y'all, that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.